Yes. Have you tried the Italian restaurant down there?
Yes, I went there the last weekend. I think the ambience was charming and the service was really good.
I know, right? I had the lasagna last week and it was incredibly flavorful and it perfectly layered. Each bite was delightful experience. I really like it.
Yeah, I tried the seafood risotto. It was really creamy and they have the fresh herbs
Mm.
and the seafood was cooked perfect.
That sounds amazing. They also have tiramisu, and it was heavenly. I like it. The balance and the sweetness of the coffee flavor was just right. Um, the texture was so light and fluffy.
Yeah, and I tried the panna cotta for the dessert.
Ah,
It was silky smooth and the berry comfort is and refreshment contrast. It was the perfect ending to some toast meal.
yeah. I also love how they dress the food. I mean, it was amazing. The plating was artistic and visually appealing. It really enhanced the overall dining experience.
Yeah, absolutely. The restaurant decor was so very inviting. The rustic and elegant design
Yes.
made it feel both cozy and feels like home.
They had a good job on the detail on the restaurant. Um, I think from the intricately designed windows to the carefully selected music, everything felt very good to a memorable dining experience. I mean, the ambience is very good.
Yeah, I agree. The wine selection was also outstanding. The Sauvignon recommended as blended wine that paired beautifully with the meals.
It is definitely a place worth revisiting. The combination of exquisite food, charming ambience, and outstanding service make it one of the best dining experience I ever had in my life.
Yeah, I couldn't agree more with that. It's wonderful to find a place that show us how the Italian restaurant is. And
Italian,
yeah, Italian. It's like I'm in a meal.
yes, Inter Milan.
Yes.